Focus Now news coming in from Mumbai. A 60-year-old man allegedly stabbed a teenager to death after an argument at the ticket counter of a movie theatre.
Well, the victim and his elder brother had an argument with the accused in the ticket queue. The accused went to a nearby coconut vendor, came back with a knife and allegedly stabbed the teenager. The accused was caught while trying to flee. The incident occurred outside the Bharat Mata cinema at Parel in central Mumbai. For more on that, we are being joined by CNN IBN Shoaib Ahmed, who's joining us from Mumbai. Shoaib, that's a very shocking incident out there. We do know that the 60-year-old has now been arrested. What more can you tell us?
Really, indeed, a shocking story coming out of Mumbai. The most shocking aspect, really, of this whole incident is the fact that something as trivial as collecting tickets from a movie theatre actually escalated into an altercation and a fight which led to the murder of a 19-year-old boy by a 60-year-old senior citizen. We believe the 60-year-old who has been arrested in this case and booked for murder is also a coconut vendor, and the 19-year-old boy was working in a bank as a security guard. So indeed a shocking bit of news which has shocked the city here.
Right, and Shoaib, there have been demands by social groups that there should be increased security outside movie theatres to avoid incidents like these. Also the fact that a lot of women who get out of theatres late at night are exposed to any kind of a similar attack.
Simi, we were talking to a lot of senior police officials, and what they say is that in these kind of incidents, there is actually quite little that the police can do, because this is something really, one can't monitor very closely as far as the police is concerned. In fact, in this case, Simi, the fact that the accused was caught was because of the traffic constables who actually chased him and then caught him 5 minutes after the incident. So in this case, police says that there is little that we can do, but in this case, we managed to get the accused within 10 minutes of the incident.
All right, sure.